Hello my lovelies, and welcome back to the heart of my home. Today I'm going to show you how you can make homemade Garam Masala. Now if you've been following my recipes on the YouTube channel, you will notice that I use the Garam Masala, and now is the best time to actually prepare the raw ingredients for the masala in the heat of the summer sun, and then use a grinder to blend it down and use it throughout the seasons, especially the winter months. So let me show you some of the ingredients that go into my secret recipe. The ingredients for the homemade Garam Masala. Now, there are two ways of doing this. Firstly, you can buy each of the raw ingredients separately, or you can do a little bit of a cheat and you can pick up whole Garam Masala from the continental stores. I think most supermarkets stock this as well. But the trick is to ensure that you wash it and then lay it out in the summer heat for a couple of days. And what that does, it releases the aromatic flavors and the depth of those that are hidden in the depth of those spices. I've actually added some extra herbs and spices to my formula, some extra coriander, cumin, dried ginger, and some star anise seed. There's some extra black peppers, just to give it that flavor that I'm looking for. Traditionally, I used to watch my gran use the pestle and mortar in the old days and break this down. Now that's labor intensive. Nowadays we have the industrial grinders that are available to us, and this little beauty really does work a treat. So I'm going to add a handful to the grinder and show you how it only takes less than a minute to break this down. It depends on the coarseness that you're looking for. I quite like my masala. Wow, it's so fragrant, it's wonderful. But I quite like my masala a little bit coarse. If you like it finer, then you can leave it for a little bit longer for the consistency that you require. And there we have it, homemade Garam Masala for you to enjoy the benefits throughout the seasons. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you're notified of my videos as I launch them. Why not leave your comments in the section below and let me know how your homemade Garam Masala compares to those that you buy ready-made. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.